Okay, everybody, it's been about 5 or 6 days since the hot frog has been fed and my original worms have been fed. So I figured we'll do a little bit of a comparison and see how they're doing. I haven't really checked on them or anything, so it should be interesting to see. Alright, well, this top layer, which doesn't have any food in it specifically, is still pretty moist, so that's interesting to see. Alright, let's take a look. I'm a little concerned because on first glance I saw something crawling around up here, just a little something, but yeah, I see more stuff crawling down here. Not like the good kind of stuff. Like a little bug. But let's see how they're doing. Okay, we got some activity in here. Looks like these banana peels that were curled up and kind of on top are, I don't want to say completely still intact because there's definitely some guys hanging out in here, but not exactly gone. But again, I think, like I said earlier, I think this is probably a little too much food for the first time around, to be honest with you guys. Yeah. Oh, but in here, we got some activity. That's good. Okay, and this is the buried one. So I'm gonna bury that one a little bit. Over here. Okay, there's some peeps hanging out. I'm gonna not feed these guys anymore. I think if I was doing this again, I probably would have just given them maybe 2 toilet paper rolls and none of the banana peels on the end, because, like, let's see over here if this one's got anything on it. Oh yeah, there's a few little guys on here. Okay. Oh hey guys, I'm just gonna bury it, make it easier for you guys to get at it. Alright, so what did we learn so far? Almost a week into their feedings. Maybe for the first feeding, don't give them too much. Or you could probably put more in here, but just know that it's not going to, I don't know, it's not gonna break down quite as quickly. And again, I'm not sure what those little bugs are. I don't know if you guys can see them on the screen. I can't see in here now, but I saw some just scoot across here a second ago. I was like, that's not good. Oh yeah, there it is. There's something. Yeah, we'll see what that turns into. Meanwhile, our bear is here eating. Okay, so that's all put away. I'm gonna check on this to see how we're doing. Alright, let's peel that. I still can't believe these blueberries are solid. They've been in here forever. Alright, so this side, I don't really see a lot going on over here, so that's good. I think they've all kind of migrated over to the other side. I just like to make sure before I put anything in that all of the existing stuff is pretty much gone. Not sure what this piece was. This is some spinach pieces from the yard. I must have had extra. Alright, now, the moment of truth. Like I said, these both got fed about 5 or 6 days ago. And they only got 1 frozen toilet paper roll. And this is a somewhat established bin. So, there's I don't know if they're used to the drill yet, but they're definitely, I've had this bin since March. I'd say mid-March, late March or so. Interesting. So, because there's only 1 food source, they're all pretty much in this 1 food roll, so it's going to go down quicker. Whereas I think in here, there's more options for them to spread out between, so it doesn't look like there's as much activity going on, but I'm sure there is. But just for good measure, I have a frozen banana peel, some zucchini, and then 2 toilet paper rolls of, I don't know, bananas, zucchini, spinach chunks. So I think I'm going to go ahead and give them just the zucchini bit and the banana bit, because I don't think they need a whole lot right now, but just in case they run low, I don't want them to have nothing. But I don't think I want to put a whole roll in, just because that other roll over here is still early in its decomposition level. But what I'll do is I'll check on them in a few days and see if that roll made any major progress. But remember, that roll's already been in here for about 5 or 6 days, and they still, granted, there was some other stuff over here that they were finishing up, so we'll see how quickly they go through it. Best helper. Burp. Yeah. Okay, well, say bye-bye for now.